Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the gig economy? In today's fast paced world, freelancing offers unparalleled flexibility and opportunity. Whether you're a designer, writer, developer, or even a consultant, the gig economy is your playground. First things first, identify your niche. What skills do you have that others need? Once you've nailed that down, it's time to build your personal brand. Think of your online presence as your business card. A strong portfolio and engaging social media profiles can make all the difference. Next up, finding gigs platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are fantastic starting points, but don't stop there. Network, attend industry events, and keep an eye on job boards like LinkedIn. And indeed, now let's talk about setting your rates. Research what others in your field are charging. Don't undersell yourself, but also be competitive. Remember, your time is valuable. Managing your time is crucial in the gig economy. Use tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of your projects and deadlines. And don't forget to carve out time for self-care. Burnout is real, and taking breaks can boost your productivity. Lastly, always strive for continuous improvement. Take courses, attend workshops, and stay updated with industry trends. The more you learn, the more you earn. So, are you ready to thrive in the gig economy? Embrace the freedom, seize the opportunities, and start making money in this new work era. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe BlackMoney101.com for more tips on freelancing and the gig economy. See you next time.